Hey friends, so today is one of those days where I just feel pulled in a million different directions. There are several things that I need to do around my house, plus there are things that I need to do for work, and I just don't even know where to start. So when this feeling of overwhelm, anxiety starts building up inside of me, now I've learned a few tricks that help to counteract that. So today we're going to be doing a cleaning video, and I'm going to show you exactly what my minimalist routine is when I do start to feel that overwhelm. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my pencil and I'm gonna grab my handy dandy notebook and I'm gonna write down a few of the key things that are really bothering me right now. So the first thing that I can think of when I start my list is that I need to clean the bathroom. It's something that I've been thinking about for several days now and putting off. So what I do first is I always write down the very first thing that bothers me. And so I need to clean the bathroom. Now, some people really like to start with the easiest thing. They feel like it builds them up, and there is no wrong answer. But for me, I really like to start with the hardest thing or the thing that has been bothering me the most, the worst thing, the toilet, that I really have been putting off. And I'll give you a really good reason why I do that. So, the reason that I always start with the hardest thing first or the most annoying thing is that I want to get that really good dopamine hit from my brain that is always going 100 miles an hour. Once I get that dopamine hit, it helps me to domino effect and want to do the easier things after that. If I was to start in the reverse, by the time that I would get to the thing that I hated the most, I would be one, out of energy, and two, I just wouldn't want to do it. So for my brain, this works the best, but everyone is a little bit different. So now I'm going to think of things that come after that that are still bothering me. So I want to vacuum upstairs. So I'm going to write vacuum upstairs. I also really want to get to my desk downstairs that I actually share with my husband, and my daughter likes to get on our computer too. We only have one computer in our house, so we all use it. It's just a family space. So I want to clear that up. And I would also really love to be able to water my plants because they're starting to die and I really need to do that. So I'm going to say water my plants. And then what I also love to do is I'll give myself a bonus. So if I still have energy, bonus, I'm going to do the laundry. It's not super bothering me right now, but it would be nice if I could get it done. All right, so now that I'm making the list, I'm also going to set myself some time parameters. So why I do that is that one, it keeps me motivated in that room, and two, it also tells me that I can be done with that room or that chore or whatever it is, and I can move on. So usually I'll set like a 10-minute timer for each area, and so I can set myself some kind of timer and keep going. It doesn't mean that I have to stop in that moment, and it doesn't mean I have to keep going if I'm tired, but it does give my brain that, I don't know, boost I need to keep going in that room. So I really hope this video will help you if you're like me and you do parts of different chores throughout the day, and then by the end of the day, you don't feel like you've actually accomplished anything. All right, friends, if you like learning about minimalism and decluttering, my name is Becky Truda. This is Minimalist, and this channel is all about decluttering and minimizing and living your best life. So hit that subscribe button if that sounds good to you, and let's go head upstairs. All right, friends, so the most annoying and grossest part of the cleaning routine in the bathroom is over. So now I'm going to clean off the sink and vacuum the floor real quick. I have about 5 minutes left on my timer on my watch, and so I'm gonna get this done quickly. Let's move on to the sink. So as you can see, this is a very old home. If you haven't seen it in my other videos, this home is from the 1960s. And this area right here in the bathroom is original. And so it's very old. It's even hard to kind of make it look clean, but at least it will look a little better than it did before. So if you maintain a pretty clear sink with only a few things on it, then this whole process is gonna make your life a lot easier. The cleaning of the sink part is not nearly as annoying and frustrating when there's only a few things to get off and move. All right, friends, so for my last minute or two, I'm going to do a quick vacuum in here. Let's get everything off the floor and into the hallway, and then I'm gonna do the quick vacuum, and then I'm gonna move on to my next step. All right, friends, so I'm going to vacuum my room, I'm gonna vacuum our spare room, and I'm gonna vacuum the hallway closet and our stairs. And then I'm gonna move on to my next chore. So doing one thing at a time really helps my brain not to just roam around my house doing little pieces all the time. I hope it helps you too. So let's go get our vacuum out and start vacuuming my room. All right, there goes my timer. Okay, friends, so I'm getting a little overheated. Okay, so I'm gonna go check this one off. While I'm heading downstairs to go clean off my desk, I am going to vacuum the steps because I didn't get to that yet. But at least it's on my way, right? So that doesn't feel so bad. All right, friends, so as you can see, this is a family area, this desk area. We all use it. I probably use it the most because it is where I edit and do all my YouTube / my website kind of stuff. So if you haven't been to my website, it's minimalist.com. You're welcome to head over there and check it out. But this area becomes kind of a dumping area. And so all I'm going to do today is I'm going to freshen it up a little and put things back where they belong so that when I do come back and edit the video I want to do today, it's going to feel nice and clean. So like I said before, I have my list and I need to check off that I vacuumed, and now I'm on to my third task of the day. So I did find this bag on the desk. So I'm actually going to put the things that need to go upstairs into this bag. So I have a nice little way of bringing them up there. So mainly in this area, we just get things that are misplaced in the wrong area, or we'll be searching for something in this little basket area. So these things just need to go back in here. Okay, so that I truly finish this task, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put away the things that are in the white bag behind me that don't belong on my desk, and I'm gonna do a quick wipe down of this area right here. All right, friends, so I just checked off my last thing, which was to water my plants. I definitely suggest saving something that you actually enjoy or don't hate until the very end so that you're more motivated to do it when you are tired. I do actually have a little more energy, so I am going to go start the laundry, and then I'm going to start on my next list of things that I need to do actually for work. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And if you have, remember to hit that subscribe button to get my next one very soon. All right, I'll see you guys later.